Alright, I wanted to make one more video for Chapter 4, Lesson 6, and this one's focusing on the homework, in particular page P74 on the homework. And the back side, I just want to kind of go over a few of the word problems just so we're clear on exactly what to do. I'm not going to solve each one. Okay, number 3 says last Saturday there were 1,486 people at the Cineplex. There were about the same number of people in each of the 6 theaters. About. So this is an estimation problem, so we might not all come up with the exact same answer, and that's okay as long as your estimation is reasonable. So between which two numbers, so we're going to have two estimations, in this case most likely a high estimate and a low estimate, does the number of people in each theater fall? So again, there's more than one way. Some people may look at this and say, well, I'm going to estimate that to be 1,500. That's perfectly okay. That would be a slightly high estimate. And then 1,000. And that would be your low estimate. And that would be great. Some people may say, okay, my low estimate is 1,000. My high estimate is 2,000. That also would be a reasonable way of estimating to get your two numbers. Okay. But make sure you do your division. After you come up with your two estimates, whatever they may be, you want a high estimate and a low estimate, and then divide those estimates by 6. Okay, number 4, Nancy walked 50 minutes each for 4 days last week. Jillian walked 35 minutes each day for 6 days. So 50 minutes for 4 days, 35 minutes for 6 days. How does the total number of minutes that Jillian walked compare to the total number of minutes that Nancy walked? Compare usually, almost always, is going to mean, and it does in this case, find the difference, which means subtract to see what the difference is between the total of minutes that Jillian walked and how many Nancy walked. But to do that first, you got to do some multiplication. The 50 times 4 and the 35 times the 6. Then you subtract and explain, okay, this person walked this many more minutes, or whatever the answer may come out to be. But remember, compare, you're looking at difference, and difference means you're subtracting in the end. It's kind of hard to write words. It's easier to write numbers with the mouse. But okay, number 5, 3 boys shared 28 cars equally. If they share them equally, we know we're going to be dividing. How many cars did each boy get? That's part 1. And there's 2 parts to this question. How many were left over? That's my question. There's 2 parts. So make sure you answer both. Again, it's going to be a division with a remainder. Number 6, an airplane flies at a speed of 474 miles per hour. Per hour. So every hour they travel 474 miles. So when the first hour, 474, second hour, another 474. And then our question, how many miles does the plane fly in 5 hours? This is a multiplication problem. All right. Good luck on the rest of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Focus, can-do attitude, take initiative, listen carefully.